I think if you feel you may have had hail damage or storm damage that warrants getting your roof replaced, you should definitely call a contractor first. So if you don't know of a local reputable contractor, I would also recommend you do your research and look for one that has a good reputation and they're professional, and that they clearly know what they're doing. They got good reviews. You don't want to file a claim if it's not warranted or if they're not going to cover much. So if you skip this step where the contractor can verify for you whether or not a claim might be warranted, and you just call your insurance company, they'll file a claim and they'll come out and they may do an assessment, and it may not be enough damage to cover your deductible. And so then you've went through the whole process of filing a claim, and there's no reimbursement for you. It didn't, the amount of damage they were willing to cover becomes not worthwhile because your deductible is a greater amount than that. And that's always the first portion of the payment that goes towards any project and a claim. Definitely get the opinion of a professional, and that's what we're here for as well. We'll do an inspection, we'll have a good conversation, we'll take pictures of anything that we're concerned about or any storm-related damage we can document and go over with the homeowner, and then together kind of decide, is this, do you feel like we feel like you should file a claim, or probably better off waiting. Your roof's okay. I don't see enough damage. I don't think you're in danger it's going to leak, and so no reason to engage the insurance company as far as we can tell, and we'll tell you that.